Hi, this is Tommy Gallen with SD Gutter and Solar Cleaning, and I'm often asked, why should I clean my gutters now? It's the end of August, it's not even raining. Well, you don't have to clean them right now, but you might want to get on our schedule. You see, a lot of our clients are on the auto clean schedule, which means that we go back every year to clean out their gutters. Our schedule is already very booked up in October, November, December, and January. Also, once Labor Day weekend passes, we're going to find a huge increase in the number of calls that we get. Last year we were getting 30 calls a day, and we could only knock out about 5 to 10 jobs a day. So why call now to schedule your gutter cleaning? Because if you call in October or November, you might have to wait an additional 8 weeks after your phone call to schedule an appointment. So call today or email and book your 2016 gutter cleaning appointment now. Most importantly, it'd be a really good idea to get on an annual cleaning schedule so you're not competing with the other people in San Diego who are trying to book us in those months. Thanks so much, and this has been another informational video from SD Gutter and Solar Cleaning. Take care.